Hey everyone, in this video I'll be showing how to fix if you can't hear the sound of commands and how to fix if you can't see your friends or the enemy's emotes. First, let's see the issue. Here I'm using commands but I can't hear any sound. And here she is using emotes but I can't see it in my phone. So this is how we fix it. It's simple, we just have to switch our graphics quality to medium or high, or you can just copy my settings, the settings that I use here, you can just copy it. Okay, now I will restart the game and check whether it works. Yes, it works guys. So this is how we fix it. It's simple, just take few steps. So leave a like if it worked for you, and if you need to know something else, let me know in the comment section.
Well played. Thank you. I'll take the buff. Sorry.
Thank you for watching and see you guys in the next video.